Alright, what's up guys? So this is the hair company. I'm not completely sure how to pronounce the name, but yeah, y'all see it. So this is how the wig comes packaged, with the net around it and everything like that to protect it. That's the curl pattern. Here is the hairline, and it does come with the baby hairs. So it also comes with the built-in fake scalp, also with combs, an adjustable cap, and places for you to put the elastic band. The elastic band actually comes in the bag. So this is what the wig looks like on. Alright, as y'all can see, the lace looks really nice and the hairline looks nice also. So I did choose to put my wig down with Got To Be gel. I didn't put the elastic band in there, but like I said, it is an option for you all if you would like to, and that way it could be glueless, okay? No glue, no gel, if you adhere the elastic band. So all I'm doing here is widening my part a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural. As you guys can see, the parting space is so good on this wig. I love the parting. Look at this parting space. Jeez. So this is what the hair looks like, just all combed out. That's like pretty much its natural state, but I'm going to wet it down and kind of define those curls and get a look that I feel like suits me. You could wear your hair big like that if you like, but you guys know me, I prefer like the wet defined look. So all I'm doing is going in with this very light gel. The gel is called Iso Plus, and this is just going to define my curls a little bit more. You guys do not have to use this product. You can use whatever type of curling cream or curling putty that you'd like. So now I'm going to go in and just, the baby hairs are already sectioned out for you, which I love. It just makes things like a heck of a lot easier. So I'm just cutting them a little bit shorter. They're a little bit too long for my liking. And I'm just going to shape them with a little bit of Eco Styling Gel. For this part, I would highly recommend a diffuser. It just works so much better for curly hair. When you go in with a regular blow dryer, it does tend to make the hair frizzier, okay? So a diffuser would work great for this, or just let the hair air dry. Alright guys, so let's get into my thoughts of this wig and everything like that. So this wig does come from a company by the name of, I don't know if it's you or yo Wigs, I don't know, I know I'm saying this so wrong, but this comes from a company by the name of, the name will be somewhere in the title or whatever. So let's get into it. So the wig does come with an elastic band, so that means, and combs, so that does mean that it can be considered glueless, okay? So you do not have to put any adhesive on this wig if you do not want to, but you could just use the elastic band. I opted to put adhesive on my wig just because I wanted to. Where is the elastic band? I did have it up here somewhere, but yeah, it comes with an elastic band in the bag. So, and the little clips are on the wig, so if you would like to like put on the wet elastic band, all you have to do is just latch it onto the little elastic band latches, and you have it on, and whenever you want to take it off, you can take it off. Okay, I just didn't opt to put mine in, but I love that it does come in there with it, and it's all you have to do is like just latch it on. You don't have to sew it on, you don't have to do anything, just latch it and go on about your business, because some of these companies, they want you to sew your own elastic band on. Okay, and it does have little hooks so you can pick which, you know, how large or how small you want the elastic band. I love that. I feel like it's just very convenient. Okay, so now that we've gotten that out the way, the knots, they don't really look real bleached to me. I will show like some kind of clip somewhere, but the knots do not look super bleached. They could be bleached because some companies, they will bleach the knots for you. Some companies bleach the knots really harsh. Some companies only bleach them a little bit. So they may be bleached a little bit. Me personally, I would prefer for my knots to be bleached a little bit more, but I can understand that concept because some customers want pre-bleached knots, but then when companies pre-bleach them, they complain and say, oh, they're over bleached, they're not bleached to my liking, or you know, it's always a back and forth with that pre-bleach thing. Okay, so this company, if it is bleached, it's not bleached a whole lot. Okay, so that's where it comes in with a little bit of difficulty, because this wig, as you guys saw, does have the fake scalp method incorporated inside the wig. Okay, which is cool. It's a good idea. You don't have to wear a cap or anything, and it does make your wig look a little bit more scalp like. But however, let's just say you do get this wig and you want to let's say bleach the knots a little bit more, you know, you can't do that with the fake scalp method unless you cut off the fake scalp method and then bleach the knots, and then it's like, how you gonna get it back on? So just keep that into consideration, that the knots may not be as bleached as you want them to be, and you will have to cut off the cap in order to re-bleach them. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Also, the scalp, like the fake scalp that comes with it, is really light. I have worked with some more with other fake scalp units, and the cap is not that light, so you may want to go in with a little bit of powder and kind of, you know, put it inside that part, because the fake scalp is light and that's not gonna match everyone. Okay, so anyway, that is what my fake scalp looks like. I didn't go in with anything, that's just how it looks, and I will, like I said, insert a up close so you guys can kind of see what I'm saying. So the hair is nice, as you guys can see. It's like this nice little flirty bob. It's very movable. It's not stiff or anything like that. Now this hair is super thick. All right, super thick. So I wanted like the big natural type look instead of like a super wet look. So what I did was, once I wet it down and put a little bit of product in it and I blow dried it, I went in and I just took my fingers and I combed out the curls, and that's what gave me like this bigger type look. Okay, bigger fluffy type look, because I would just rather this look. I just like it like that. And like I said, this is probably like the thickest bob wig that I have received in a while. This wig is super thick. It has a lot of hair on it, and the cut is really nice. It's just a nice like shoulder cut. Looks really natural, not too long, not too short. Also, the wig did come with a nice pre-plucked hairline. I love the hairline. I also loved that they had the pre-made baby hairs. It just takes a lot of that, you know, that stress off of you. I don't want to call it stress, but it takes a lot away from you because you don't have to make your own baby hairs. They're already kind of made. All right, so yeah, the hair is pretty nice. Like I said, it looks pretty nice. Customer service pretty good. The shipping was pretty fast. Also, the links and everything about this wig will be down below. Everything you need to know. Check out the website. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Okay. Check it out for yourself, and I think that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those down below, and I'll be sure to get back with y'all. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.